Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to understand Affirm's interest rates and fees. Let's get straight into the video. Now, when it comes to interest rate, there are a couple of interest rates available on Affirm. There's the APR range. Now, Affirm's APR range is typically between 0% to 30% APR. There's also interest rate calculation. So interest rates are calculated based on factors such as credit worthiness, loan amounts, and repayment terms. Affirms also discloses the interest rates and the APRs before you accept the loan. So always make sure to check that out before you accept the loan. Now, when it comes to fees, you got to take note that Affirm does not charge hidden fees such as late fees or prepayment fees or origination fees. Interest rates are the only interest charges are the only fees associated with an Affirm loan, and some states may charge late payment fees, but this varies by state. So you got to check what state you're in and note if your state charges late payment fees. Now, for repayment terms, the first to note is repayment terms option. So Affirm offers repayment terms options ranging from 3 to 36 months. There's also a monthly payment calculation. So monthly payments are calculated based on the loan amounts, interest rates, and the repayment term. And also there's the early payment option, so you can pay off your loan early without any prepayment penalties. So you got to take note of those. Now, when it comes to understanding your loan details, there's the loan agreement. You can always review your loan agreement carefully to understand the interest rates and fees, as well as the repayment terms. There's also a firm's dashboard, which you can use to view your loan details, including interest rates, fees, and repayment schedules. And of course, if you have any issues, you can always just contact Affirm supports for any questions or any concerns regarding your loan details. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel, because that helps us out very much, and we appreciate you for that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.